Hi children, welcome back to the lesson The Moon. As a part of that lesson, we are going to discuss about artificial satellite. What is meant by artificial satellite? Here actually satellite is a space thing. It is a space thing which belongs to space and it always rotates around the planet. Always the satellites rotate around the planet. For example, if the planet is earth, then earth rotates, sorry, earth is the planet and the satellite is the moon. So the moon, natural satellite, it always rotates around the earth, right? So here moon is called natural satellite because naturally it is present in the space and it is rotating around the earth, whereas here some satellites are man made, means the man has sent them into the space to observe whatever the objects that are present in the space. So, whatever the spacecraft that we sent means man made, they are called artificial satellites. These artificial satellites, they give information about the space and they are very helpful. Let us see one by one. Here it is the first one called Sputnik 1, which is sent by the Russia on 4th October 1957. It is the first artificial satellite. And as well as after that hundreds of satellites they sent. Here Sputnik is the first one, the sent in 1957 by the Russia. And next one, here our Indian satellite, that is GSAT 12, it is launched on 15th July 2011. GSAT, it is a communication satellite, means the telephone signals are developed because of this satellite. And as well as weather report giving satellite. These satellites, they takes the photograph of the environment and they send the information about the floods or for coastal regions, whatever it may be. They give the forecast of the weather report about cyclones and earthquakes, etc. Right? So if you look at here, this is a sample picture of the weather report picture that is given by the weather satellites. So weather satellites, before it gives us the information about the natural disaster like tsunami or otherwise cyclones. The dangerous storms can be identified by the this weather satellite and it gives information to us, so before that we can get alert. And next, when you look into another satellite, that is remote sensing satellite. Remote sensing satellites, they can able to take the pictures of earth to study the features of the earth surface, etc. We sent remote sensing satellite. Whereas next one, it is called resource satellite. This resource satellite, it able to give us information. It give us information like remote sensing satellite. And first one sent in the 20th April 2011. India launched this satellite, and this remote sensing satellite can able to sense the surface of the earth and it gives the signal any defensive mechanism. Actually it is used in defensive mechanism. So whatever the other countries, if they plan to attack on us, can be recognized by these remote sensing satellite and it gives the information further so that we will become secure. Okay, this is about remote sensing satellite. And next, EduSat, it's sent in September 2004. EduSat is the world's first satellite that involves in the giving education to all. Here even in remote area also we can able to get the lessons. So TV sets or otherwise telephone, all the signals will be given by the EduSat satellite, which make us to improve our knowledge. So world's first educational satellite is called EduSat and that is launched by India in September of 2004. So it is very great achievement for us to get the well education because of internet system, because of this satellite. And next, the first satellite that made by Indians are the Aryabhatta, and it was sent in April 19 in 1975, and this is India's first satellite that launched in the space, Aryabhatta, and its name is given as Aryabhatta on the name of the great ancient guru. And here Chandrayaan 1, the Indian pride, Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1, it gets succeed, and it successfully given the information about the water spots and the nature of the soil present in the moon. And later we sent many satellites by using PSLV, Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. PSLV, it carried near about 108 satellites along with Indian satellites. Other country satellites also carried with this. And next, come to another achievement, that is Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 1 is the 22nd October 2008 we launched, and here Chandrayaan 1 is very successful, whereas Chandrayaan 2, it become successful failure. Actually it is success maximum, we tried to land on the moon, but at the end, at the last minutes, the rover missed its spot. So we missed that achievement. Whatever it may be, these are the artificial satellites that give an information about our country. And the scientists, they are very great, and they are sending many satellites like this. So I hope you understood today's class. We'll continue in the next class about this lesson.